Hello viewers, it is my next video on The Tempest, Act 3rd, Scene 1. In this video I will cover from line number 70 to line number 95. So Miranda and Ferdinand, they both have expressed their true emotions before each other in some hidden words. Ferdinand has claimed that he has seen many women, but he could not find anyone with so much perfection as he has found Miranda. Miranda has told that she cannot even imagine any other man besides Ferdinand. So Ferdinand in line number 70 speaks, I am in my condition a prince, Miranda. I do think a king. I would not so, and I would no more endure this wooden slavery than to suffer the flesh fly blow my mouth. Hear my soul speak. So Ferdinand here speaks about his true identity. He tells to Miranda that I am in my condition a prince, Miranda. Miranda, actually by birth I am a prince. I was born a prince, Miranda. I do think a king, and now I think that I am not only a prince, rather I am a king. Actually he speaks so because he thinks that his father is no more alive. So therefore now he will inherit the kingdom of his father. So that's why he says that actually I am going to be the king. I would not so, though I don't wish to be the king. I would not so, because Ferdinand loves his father. So he thinks that though I don't want to be so, I don't want to be the king, but maybe I am going to be the king soon. Would no more endure this wooden slavery than to suffer the flesh fly blow my mouth. So he says that being a prince, being a would-be king, I would never, you can say, submit to this kind of humble occupation. ये जो लकड़ी वकड़ी उठाने का काम मैंने किया है, so I would never submit myself to this regarding labor of piling up logs of wood. Just in the same way as I could never, you can say, tolerate my lips being stung by the flesh fly and get swollen. He compares this humble occupation of logging up woods with the sting of a flesh fly. जैसे कोई flesh fly काट जाए कीड़ा कोई और वो swelling up हो जाती है, तो you can never be happy. You can never accept it. So same way, I would never accept this disregarding labor. Hear my soul speak the very instant I saw you. But let me tell you what my soul speaks. Actually, I want to tell you about the depth of my emotions. Since when I saw you, the first time when I saw you, my heart fly to your service. At the same moment as the moment I saw you, my heart fly to your service. Means my heart was so full of praise for you that it wanted to serve you. I wanted to serve you from the very first moment. There resides to make me slave to it. Actually, my heart has made me your slave. My heart resides in my body just to make me your slave. And for your sake, I this patient logman. And just for the sake of you, I accepted to be the logman, the woodcutter, very patiently. Otherwise, I would have objected to it. I would never accept this humble occupation. But because the very moment I saw you, I fell in love with you. I was fascinated by you, by your charms. So I accepted to be a woodcutter for your sake. Miranda is overjoyed to hear this. And she wants to know, do you love me? She asks him flatly that let me know, do you still love me? Ferdinand says, O heaven, O earth, bear witness to this sound and crown what I profess with kind event. If I speak true, this is line number 80 I am reading. Ferdinand says, O God, O heaven, O earth, you be the witness to my words. What I am going to speak, you please second it, you please support my words. And if I am speaking the truth, so you please with some kind event, means something happy should happen just to crown यानी कि just to honor my words. Crown what I profess with kind event. यानी कि what I speak. What I profess means what I claim to speak. So you please crown it means you please felicitate it by making some happy event happen here. If I speak the truth. If hollowly, in what best is bodied me to mischief. And if hollowly means if I tell a lie. If I tell a lie, if I do not speak the truth, so you can punish me by turning all my good things into mischiefs. So in a way, he says that I'm going to speak my heart. So, O earth, O heaven, you be the witness to my words. And if I speak the truth, you please make something good happen just to felicitate my words. And if I tell a lie, so you can punish me severely by transforming all good qualities of mine into mischievous qualities. I, beyond all limit of what else in the world, do love, prize, honor you. So in this line number 84 to 85, he expresses his true love for Miranda. He says that beyond all limits of what else in the world, yani कि beyond everything else in the world, I do profess before you that I love you. I prize you means I praise you. Honor you means I request you. I love you, I praise you, and I appreciate you, and I respect you. Miranda, I am a fool to weep at what I am glad of. To hear these words, Miranda is so full of emotions that because of being overjoyed, she starts to cry. Sometimes जब हम बहुत खुश होते हैं तो भी हम रोने लगते हैं. So she starts to cry in happiness. And she says that, oh, what a big fool I am. That I should be glad of. I should be happy to hear this. But I am crying. I am shedding my tears. Prospero aside. And Prospero has overheard all this. So he speaks again, fair encounter of two most rare affections, heaven's rain, grace on that which breeds between them. Prospero is happy to see this scene. And he says that fair encounter, this is the meeting of two great lovers. Such kind of love is very rare to see between the couples. So I'm very happy to see their meeting. O heaven, you please shower the grace, whatever is going in their hearts, this love should be nourished by your graceful rains. So he makes a wish to God that you please let their love nourish in their hearts. But Ferdinand asks, he is puzzled to see Miranda crying. Ferdinand asks, wherefore weep you? Why are you crying? Miranda replies, at mine unworthiness that dare not offer what I desire to give. She says that I am crying at my own unworthiness because what I want to give you, I am not able to give. What I want to do for you, what I want to offer you, it is beyond my capacity. I cannot give you what I desire to give, much less take what I shall die to want. And even I am not able to take from you all those things, all those emotions, because of which I would die if I do not get it. For the want means because due to the lack of all these things, all these emotions which I expect from you, I will die. But I am not able to accept these emotions from you. This is trifling, and all the more it seeks to hide itself, the biggest bulk it shows. So she says that it is very confusing that the more I try to hide my feelings, the more they are exposed. The bigger bulk it shows में जितना मैं अपनी इमोशंस को छुपाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, ये उतना ही ज्यादा बाहर आ रही है. The more I try to hide my feelings from you, because she is bound by her promise with her father. So she is not allowed to reciprocate to the feelings of love of Ferdinand. But she finds herself unable to hide her feelings. So that's why she says that this is trifling, means it is very confusing, that the more I try to hide my feelings, the more they are exposed before you. Up to here I stop. Thank you.